4 laps and Sundar 4 laps. 1 minute up, 6 more minutes to go. To go. Satish is leading by 12 laps, followed by Murli 11 laps, Yas 11 laps. Now Satish is leading by 29 laps, followed by Yas 28 laps, Sharon 28 laps, Murli 28 laps, Ruth 27 laps, Sundar 27 laps and Ashwin 24 laps. And 2 more minutes to go. 9 laps, Ruth 29 laps, Sundar 28 laps and Ashwin 25 laps. One minute and 35 seconds to go. Satish is leading by 32 laps, followed by Yas 31 laps, followed by Murli 32 laps, Sharon 31 laps, Roop 31 laps. Satish is leading by 38 laps, Yas 36, Murli 36, Roop 36, Charan 36, Sundar 33, Ashwin 31. Last 30 seconds, your last 20 seconds. Satish is leading by